Monday morning fabrics. I'm so excited to show them to you. We start off, I love this color, and look at it together with this. It's kind of a mid-pink. Anyway, this is a, it's got oranges and greens and that exact same color. It's just so pretty. It's a cotton poly, great, beautiful drape, a little lightweight blouse. The skirt would be beautiful. This is a viscose poly. It has stretch in both directions, and it is a really pretty piece of fabric. It's really beautiful. Pants, jacket would be lovely. I put this because I felt like it blended so well together with it. Isn't that beautiful? It's got a little lurex stripe right through it. It's mainly viscose, but a little lurex stripe. It's so pretty. I love the purples. And there's some purples and some pinks in here, the viscose. Now these are all $19.99, with the exception of this black. This black is a Kate fabric, and it is just a little bit more, but boy, is it beautiful. I mean, it is so beautiful. Holidays are coming up. A black pair of bias pants, the bias pant, and done in this would be incredible. It'd be so beautiful. And then just with a little top, because both of these are black backgrounds. Actually, they're all black backgrounds, and they would just be so pretty together. All right, so there you have it. Viscose, great drape, lovely fabrics, great group. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.